and welcome to the NESGameMaker Zelda 2 tutorial prologue. That's a bit of a mouthful. As you can see, I've practiced saying it several times. But I hope you enjoyed the little trailer I put together for Zelda 2. And I'm going to show you here how to use the assets I provided to get started with the tutorial. If you are on Patreon or just want to visit Patreon, you can see, link right there, my Patreon. And I have available for all people to read and access the assets.yyMPS file. And if you are interested in getting the full code for the tutorial, the .yyz file, you'll need to subscribe at $5 a month or above. If you're using the YYZ, all you have to do is double click, tell it to open with GameMaker Studio Beta, and it'll create the project for you ready to go. If you're using the .yyMPS files, you'll have to create a new IDE and drag and drop import, hit yes, add all, and import. Now get you the scripts, shaders, sounds, sprites, tile sets. It does not include rooms or objects. Basically, the things that are kind of codey and unique to objects. Those are the things that we'll be going over how to make in the tutorial. Yes, we'll save those changes. So let's pull up my full system I've got set up. Let's take a look at this real quick just to see how it works. So I'll just grab my controller here. And for whatever reason, it suddenly decided it's not going to recognize that my controller exists. That's annoying. It worked yesterday. Dang it. Oh, that's the way things go. But luckily I got a keyboard, so, you know. There we go. We got a bunch of different practice objects here in the Zelda sleeping room that you can test with. As you can see, the torches are a little bit off. It's because I moved stuff around a little bit. And you can move around the overworld. Have enemies attack. Go to your town. There aren't any NPCs except for one. That's because NPCs take a lot of time to code, and that's the last thing I did, and I only wanted to really do one because you can do all the other ones fairly easily from the code provided by this one. So, thank you very much for checking it out with me, and we'll go over how to make these things work, and more specifically, I'll figure out how to get my controller working in the meantime while we set everything up. So I think this code here is big enough. If the code isn't big enough, let me know, and I'll increase the font size and such. So it looks good to me, but it might not be good for you, so let me know. All right, thank you everybody for joining me, and we'll get started with this project here and try to do about 2 updates a week. All right, well, thank you very much, and good luck with your programming.